into it, the heart of nature, all of your love, all of your light. Just shine it right into the heart of nature, please. She needs to keep healing so we can all go home. Please shine your light to the heart of nature. That's all I'm gonna say. All right? Yes. I guess I've been saying this card wrong. I've been calling it a way shower. I listened to Melanie Beckler the other day in one of her videos, and she called it way shower, which makes so much more fucking sense. To lead and not follow. I mean, I understood the meaning, I just wasn't saying the word right according to how she made her cards. So please, lead the way. Show us all the way home. All of us, each other, everyone on the streets, just wake them up. Shine your light into their hearts, to the angelic being inside. Talk to the angelic being inside, please. There's one inside of all of us, just waiting, dying to be free and shine their light. Talk to them as the heart of nature opens back up. Okay? I know you want the same things I do. I know you want a 5D existence free from hate, meanness, egotistical bullshit. So please, shine your light, your heart, your light from your heart, right into the heart of nature, please. I want to go home. And we're not going to do it while our mother is injured. Just keep planting your seeds. Every time you shine your light and your love into the heart of nature, it lets her know you care. And you plant your seeds of love within her so that she heals and comes back to the light completely, away from the shadows of what her children have done to her. Please. They didn't do it on purpose. Please understand. They didn't know. Be the magician. Please. Wake her back up. So much love into the heart of nature that all of her shadows go away. Please. Yeah, bang your fucking drum, play your music, beat to the rhythm of your own drum. I don't care how you do it. Just please keep waking her up. She needs to come all the way home.